A wonderful YouTuber I follow said that if you want to grow on YouTube, then you need to pick one niche for your channel. I feel that creating content for one thing limits your audience. Personally, I want to reach out to those who like to learn a little bit about everything that interests them. I want to share my experiences, my failures, and my thoughts on those with everyone. So I hope my videos provide a little bit for everyone. If you want to learn to garden on a budget using what you have, then I just might have something for you. I grew up learning to do what I could with what I had, and that invents creativity. It can also save your money if you're into that too. I reuse and I repurpose, also known as what my husband likes to call hoarding. Glass jars, they never get thrown away in our house. In fact, I have an entire closet dedicated to them. Good wood never goes to waste. In fact, I have been using pallet wood raised beds in my trellis garden. They have lasted me about a good 6 years and could go a little longer, but this season I'm going to upgrade those. So I'm hoping to share my progress with you. We'll be tapping into some new irrigation, so I'll share a little bit about irrigation tips and tricks. I'd also like to start discussing how I preserve and cook the plants that I grow in my garden. Many plants have unique preparations that might be worth knowing, and I'm going to share those with you when I learn more about those. So, I am a full-time work-at-home mom that homeschools, keeps up a homestead, and I love to DIY a ton of things. So if any of this interests you, then welcome to my channel and pop in anytime for updated videos. Let's get learning together.